up now. Hi. Guess what we're doing today? We're making. Wait, you know why we need a boat to make? I don't even know what this is.
It is the Duncan Hines Epic Cookie Dough Cookie Kit. It makes cookie sandwiches. You make chocolate chip cookies and then it comes with edible cookie dough and then you roll it around in sprinkles and it makes these awesome cookie sandwiches that the girls are probably not gonna eat, right?
No.
That's okay.
So we have the dough. We have the sprinkles.
Here, I moved Maxie in to help. Mr. Maxie. Alright, so let's see guys, what did it come with? It came with cookie dough filling, the cookie mix, Cece has the cookie mix, and rainbow sprinkles.
That's all we need.
That's all you need. Well, and you need butter, an egg, and water. What?
Can I get the water? And I'll go to it already has the chocolate chips in it.
Yep.
Mama, can I feel it?
Oh, I forgot to start the microwave for the butter.
Can I feel it?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, what about the chocolate chips in there? I could like eat the chocolate chips right now.
Put the egg in there.
Mama, I'm scared to do. Please don't get messy.
You can do it, baby. Good job. Okay, so we're gonna stir together the cookie mix, the melted butter, the egg, and let me get you a tablespoon of water.
What are you doing? What's happening?
The egg white is separating from the yolk. Interesting, huh? Alright, see, let him do some mixing. I'm gonna get our cookie sheet prepared. Cece, get off the table, hon.
I like smacking you.
Yeah, wait, no, please don't do that though. Nobody wants your feet on their sprinkles. Yeah.
Cinci's eating it.
Oh, don't eat it.
I'm eating it on my hand.
You asked if you could feel it. You didn't ask if you could eat it.
I eat it on my finger.
Okay.
Is that okay?
Hold on, I'll come check in a second. Okay, I got the prepared cookie sheet here. And we'll need some spoons. You need some help?
I was mixing the whole time. How is it so easy for you?
Because I'm big and strong. Because I eat my vegetables. So that's our cookie. It's our cookie dough. Watch your hair, ladies. Nobody wants hair in their cookies. So now we just have to drop. Oh, really, Max? Oh my goodness. You just drop spoonfuls onto the thing. Push it closer to you guys. And you're gonna put them in nice lines.
Can we both do it?
Yeah, I got you a spoon. Well, you use 2 spoons really, like you do that and you just push it off. And then the next one will go next to it, and next to it. Whoa, this is big. our cookies are in the oven. And as soon as they're finished, we will get the cookie dough ready and make them into sandwiches. Here, keep smushing that around.
I wonder what color it will be.
Well, let's take chocolate cookies. Okay. We're back with our cookies. Emma has a friend over right now, and so she's kind of abandoned us, but this little one keeps snitching stuff. She just came out of the pool. She's in her swimsuit and her hair's wet, so hopefully she don't get pool water all over our cookies. So I tried to match these up with like cookies that are sort of the same size, and so we gotta cut this open. Oh, I think I need a scissor. So I am gonna flip over each cookie that you're gonna put the stuff on.
I can.
Well, you don't know which cookies it is. Okay, so those are the cookies we're gonna put the stuff on. Nope, not that. Not those. Oh wait, this guy too.
Why?
And not this guy. Because they're sandwiches. Okay, let's cut this open. Let me get this.
But can I wash it?
Yeah. You're gonna squeeze some out onto a cookie. Well, it's edible cookie dough, so you're gonna squeeze it out onto a cookie, and then we'll use this to kind of smear it around, and then you put this on top. Oh, there it comes.
Get them on here. That's good.
No, you definitely need more than that.
Definitely.
Oh, I bumped it. Ooh, it's on me. Yum. Here. Oh, can't see. Yeah. Put a bunch on there. Here, hold on. Open this guy back up. He doesn't have enough goo in him. And you know what? I don't even think we need to spread it around. I think if you just top it with the cookie, I think it'll come out the sides a little, and then we roll it in the sprinkles.
Can I smear it on my hands?
Here, look. I don't even think we have to smear anything. Push it on, and then roll it around in the sprinkles.
Can I just squeeze it?
Yeah.
We just backslide it.
Yeah. You push it around enough that it comes out, and then you roll it in the sprinkles. Look at that! So cute! They're adorable! Oh, I hope they taste as good as they look. These are so fun!
Mama, it didn't come like on
You didn't really push it out. See how you gotta like kind of push it out a little so that it has something to stick to, right? She's just sitting there eating cookie dough. Edible cookie dough, no eggs, right? Push it. Push it real good. Oh, this is a little messed up. Go ahead, roll it around. And let's see if I can push some more out of this one.
This one will be easy. Can you hold it for me?
Sure can.
Mama, can I try this one?
Go ahead, yeah. Taste test. What do you think?
I think it's like cookie.
You don't like the cookie part? Can I take a bite?
I think it's that.
Oh. Try to get the cookie part. It's just a chocolate chip cookie, and they're really good.
Yeah.
Oh my god. I'm really good. Crazy Lady's just down there snacking on it, but these are really good. I got this at Target. Definitely go check it out. They were super easy to make.
Love you, bye.
They were super delicious. Oh, I'm still chewing. There's probably food on my face too. Don't forget to subscribe so we can keep making videos for you guys. We have so much fun doing it. Leave us a comment below. Let us know if these look like something you would try. And we'll see you next time.